Stop! My name is Corporal Johnson, and if you dare scroll past this, you'll miss the one thing that keeps me, yes, me, quiet in battle. You're on Why Is That? Today, we're talking about radio silence. You think silence is just not talking? Wrong. In modern war, even your cell phone pings can give you away. Every radio signal, every GPS pulse, every Wi-Fi handshake. It's a giant "Here I am" sign for the enemy. We call it a signature. And mine is usually loud enough to wake the dead. Imagine you're trying to sneak into your house after curfew. You don't blast music, right? You turn off your phone. Same thing here. But multiply that by 1,000. Every time I say, "Roger that," some analyst 500 miles away hears Corporal Johnson is currently complaining about his coffee. Not that I ever complain. They've got drones that sniff out Wi-Fi, satellites that hear a whisper from orbit. So, what do? We shut down. We use secure burst transmissions, send a message in a split second, then vanish. Or go completely dark. No comms, no GPS, just pure old-school navigation. Scary? Yeah. Effective? Absolutely. Basically, sometimes the loudest voice on the battlefield is the one that says nothing. It saves lives. Are you serious? Can't you see I'm recording a video here? Get out! Ugh, recruits. All right, listen up. What's the craziest secret you know? Tell Corporal P.J. in the comments. And remember, sometimes the best way to win is to just shut up. Dismissed.